Hello everyone, I am Aditya Saraswat, a proud student of MEN Sector 17 Faridabad. In the conducive environment of the school, I have bloomed, grown and evolved each and every day inching closer to my goal of ranker in IIT JEE 2013. Resultantly, my 212 out of 360 marks make me a rank holder 1356 in IIT JEE 2013. MVN with its Managing Director Ms. Kanta Sharma, President and Mr. Varun Sharma, and Principal Sectors of Sector 17 and Director Aravali Hills, Mr. J.P. Gaur, along with my respected teachers at every pedestal, had been a great supporter, patron and mentor. I have no words to express my feelings at this moment, and I am sure that all my achievements could not have materialized without the timely guidance and inspiration of my revered teachers at MVN, who kept me focused and remained my strong beacons of light whenever I confronted a moment of doubt. The school built me into a humble and disciplined person with an optimistic attitude towards life. I am fortunate enough to have a National Science Olympiad second round holder. It is truly said that when 100 trained and motivated faculty members join hand with a passion to succeed, a stimulating intellectual climate is produced towards excellence. In my 11th and 12th classes, the concepts were presented in the most logical and interesting manner, with an environment of competition and doubt clearing classes. Detailed conceptual discussions took place, due to which I could practice problems within the classroom. Supplements, practice material and handouts were provided with a pattern-proof system. My teachers brought me closer to underlying principles and addressed all other problems. Classroom quizzes and tests were organized for our continuous assessment, giving us real competitive life experiences. Class analytical sessions were strategized to optimize our grasp on the doubts and maximize our confidence. School made us sure that the syllabus was timely finished, adequate time for self-study was given. It goes without saying that MVN has produced par excellence result in IIT and AIEEE and PMT now which is NEET. Besides other, which Nitin Jain rank holder 1 in IIT JEE 2009 and Arpit Agarwal first rank holder in IIT JEE 2012. It speaks volume of the achievements accomplished of my alma mater. Most of the first rank holders were always a great source of inspiration, not only from me but also from other IIT aspirants nationwide. Nitin Jain's book Secret of My Success and Arpit's book My Encounter with IIT JEE won me, moreover propelled me all the more strongly towards IIT, which was my sole goal. I availed this opportunity to inform one and all that MVN Education Society has taken a big stride in successfully running of MVN University with graduate, postgraduate and doctorate courses in various fields of engineering and business management courses. I extend my hearty congratulations to the management. My address would remain incomplete unless I express my profound gratitude to my school, MVN, for providing me 100% fee exemption and scholarship during study period in school. All in all, I owe my success to my parents, school and teachers and their blessings.